Hello everyone. So today we are doing a review of UNICE Hair. I showed you the hair when I got it, the unit, and now that I have it installed, I want you to see what it looks like on. This is the Neat Bang. It's 150% density of what is this? Virgin Remy. Yeah, it's a 20-inch Virgin Remy unit, and it's called a Neat Bang, and it is the Bet You series by UNICE. This is the packaging that it came in. It's super duper soft. I've washed it. It's pretty good. You know, I've flat ironed it a couple of times, and to me, it's nice. You know, I can work with it. What I love is the softness. It's super duper soft. It's really, really soft. And like, it's not shedding all over the place. I can run my fingers through it and not shed all over. So I would definitely recommend UNICE. I like this unit. I like the texture of the hair, and I like the fact that it's pretty full and really, really soft and easy to manage, easy to maintain. I'm going to include the link below, so if you want to order this exact unit, you can, and check it out for yourself and see if you like UNICE Hair. All right, I will see you guys soon. Please definitely like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know what you think. I will be coming back with more and more videos. All right, see you soon. Bye.